Hey everybody, welcome to another one of my videos here on my channel, and of course our Draw Too Much sketch lessons. Right now we're focusing on noses, but I need a favor. I don't want to just go grab images from the internet because unfortunately I can't guarantee that I'm not going to get sued because I used someone else's image. So what I need you guys to do is lend me your face. You're just going to email a picture over of your face, and this image will be used in some of our tutorials. There's no guarantee I'm going to use your image, but if your face is funny, I'll probably use it. Another important thing to note is that by you emailing me this picture, you're giving me consent to use it, and if you sue me, I'm showing everyone this video. I also need to make sure that you are of the right age. No one under 18 years old, okay? I just want to make sure I'm doing things right here. I don't want to get in trouble with your parents, so you have to be over 18. You're going to send me the image, and you're not going to sue me. Do we have an agreement to that? Okay, the email is right down here below, also known as drawmetim@gmail.com. Once again, I may not draw a full caricature of you, but depending on the images that I get, how many I get, they will come in really handy to teach the future tutorials, and I would love it if you have the opportunity to be a part of my guide. Thank you so much for considering. We just need a couple more entries to get moving on with faces, and thank you so much for checking out all of my videos here on my channel. I got a lot of stuff to teach you. Let's get to work.